All right, let's look at question 6 in the JAMB Math 2014 exam. We are told that log of 7.5 is equal to 0.8751. And we are asked to evaluate 2 log 75 plus log 750. All right, so before we can solve these type of problems, we need to understand what the rules of logarithms are. So I've just pasted here some of the rules you need to understand. The first rule is that if you have the log of a multiple of two numbers, that is the same as the log of the first number plus the log of the second number. This is called the product rule. The second rule says that if you have the log of a number divided by another number, it's the same of log of the first number minus log of the second number. This is called the quotient rule. And finally, if you have log of a number raised to the power of another number, this is the same as that second number multiplied by the log of the first number. And this is called the law of exponents. And so in order to solve this problem, we're going to probably need a combination of these laws in order to simplify everything without a calculator. So let's get started with this process. Now we are given, we know that, okay, now we have been told that log of 7.5 is equal to 0.8751. So we're going to try as much as possible to write this expression in terms of log of 7.5, which we already know its value. Okay, so the expression we were given is 2 log 75 plus log 750. And we know that this is equal to log 75 raised to the power 2 based on the exponent rule plus log of 750 Now, we could, just using algebra, rewrite this whole thing as log of 75 times 75, or really this is just arithmetic, plus log of 75 times 10. Now that we keep seeing these 75s in our expression, let's take advantage of it. We can write using the law of product the following expression. Log of 75 plus log of 75 plus log of 75 plus log of 10. Now, since we have log of 75 written 3 times, we could also simplify that as 3 times log of 75 plus log of 10. Now, you should know off the top of your head that log base 10 of 10 is 1. And so we could simplify this whole thing by writing it as follows. This is equal to 3 times log of 75 plus 1. And so, as I said earlier, we have been given the value of log of 7.5, not log of 75. And so let's simplify this a little bit more. We're going to write the expression as follows. This is equal to 3 times log of 7.5 times 10. And again, using the law of products, we can write this as 3 times log of 7.5 plus 3 times the log of 10 plus 1. Looks like I forgot the plus 1 in the previous line. And now we're ready to solve. We've been told the value of log of 7.5, so all we have to do is write here 3 times 0.8751 plus 3 times log base 10 of 10, which we already know is 1, plus 1. And so our final answer is 2.6253 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 6.6253. And that's our answer.